Two AI powerhouses collide. Copy AI versus Runway. Which one really delivers? On the left, Copy AI, the text-first toolkit that fuels your sales and marketing. And on the right, Runway, the next-gen platform redefining video creation with generative AI. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's our mind map for today's comparison. We're looking at core focus, pricing, ease of use, features and flexibility, ideal users, integrations, and, oh, I like this one, creativity. Get ready, because some of these categories are closer than you'd think. Okay, first up, core focus. So, Copy AI is literally built for pumping out high-converting marketing copy. Sales emails, landing pages, social posts, it's got your back. Plus, it's super easy to navigate, so you don't have to mess around too much. But it sticks to text. If you want images or video, yeah, not its thing. Now, switching over to Runway, the whole vibe here is creating next-gen AI video. They've got crazy tools for editing, animation, background removal, you name it. Seriously, if you need your visuals on another level, this is it. But just a heads up, if you need proper text generation, Runway's not really built for that. So honestly, these two crush their core specialties, but in different worlds. It's a straight-up tie for core focus. Pricing. All right, Copy AI makes it pretty easy. You've got a solid free plan that covers all the basics. And if you want to grow, pricing stays simple, not confusing. Major respect for that. Now, premium plans, they do offer more features, but the support isn't super hands-on unless you go enterprise. Doesn't kill the deal, though. Runway, on the other hand, does include free credits in its starter plan, which sounds nice, but it's credit-based. So if you're churning out lots of videos, that price can jump up real quick. So heads up if you're a power user. So if we're talking affordability and less price anxiety, Copy AI honestly comes out ahead for most folks. Ease of use. This one's always a biggie. Copy.ai is basically plug and play. Super beginner friendly, the UI is clean, and you get results fast. If you need more control, you might wish for tweakier settings, but for 90% of people, it just works. With Runway, yeah, they've got awesome help content and even an academy, which is helpful. The challenge is, if you're just starting with AI video, the advanced stuff can be overwhelming. Like, there's a lot to learn if you really want to unlock all the cool tools. So for most users, especially first-timers, Copy.ai is just way more approachable. Copy.ai takes this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Runway's AI actually helped make the Oscar-nominated visual effects for Everything, Everywhere, All at Once? Wild, right? That's some real Hollywood-level tech behind the scenes. Moving on, features and flexibility. Copy AI pretty much owns the text game. Ad copy, emails, even prospecting content, and you can tweak the tone and style however you want. They've even baked in grammar and plagiarism checks. So honestly, it's the full package for writing, but it's limited to text. No videos, no images, no wild creative stuff. Now, Runway is a totally different beast. You can literally generate videos just from text prompts. Kick out background removals, add slow-mo, slap on subtitles, and even manipulate images and sounds. Oh, and if you're into automation, they've hooked up with Zapier, so you can go nuts with workflows. Minor catch, though, you might run into watermark exports on lower plans, and it can eat up resources on your system. So if you want flexibility and tons of creative tools, Runway absolutely takes it here. Next category. Ideal users. Copy AI is a dream for marketers, sales teams, pretty much anyone who needs a mountain of high-quality copy, fast. It's a lifesaver for small businesses, go-to-market teams, you name it. But if your thing is making videos, or you thrive on visuals, it's not going to meet your creative needs. Runway is a love letter to video creators, filmmakers, digital artists, social content people, and honestly, anyone experimenting with AI. It's not for plain copywriting, though. So if that's your jam, look elsewhere. Honestly, it's a tie here because each tool nails its own crowd. Integrations. With Copy AI, you get some solid marketing and sales tool connections. Enough for most people, but yeah, they're kind of limited compared to hardcore automation platforms. Now, Runway, if you love automating everything, this one's wild. Zapier integration means thousands of workflow options, and it plugs right into existing video production lines. Downside, Some of the best integrations are locked behind higher tier plans, so keep that in mind. But really, for sheer power and options, Runway wins the integrations race. Last, but definitely not least, creativity. Copy.ai is genuinely good at spitting out clever copy, cool slogans, and campaign ideas. But if you want anything with visuals or some AI art magic, it stops there. Meanwhile, Runway is nuts. Seriously, from generating otherworldly videos to experimenting with wild effects, it's top tier for creative minds. Honestly, text is a side dish here, but for unleashing visual creativity in 2025, Runway is just unbeatable. So that's a win for Runway. All right, quick look at our radar chart. Copy.ai absolutely dominates in text-centered stuff like pricing and ease of use, while Runway rockets ahead in features, integrations, and creative power. It's kind of fun seeing how they stack up. If you're after instant, high-quality copy for your sales, marketing, or GTM team, Copy.ai is going to save you a ton of time and headaches. But if video is your playground, and you want to push the boundaries of what AI can do visually, Runway is your ticket. So, yeah, pick Copy.ai if words matter most. Go Runway if you want your visuals to blow minds. Enjoyed this showdown? Make sure to follow because we're doing more of these AI matchups and reviews, and honestly, you don't want to miss the next head-to-head.